Okay, so for this problem, we had the zeros of 3 and 1 plus or minus the square root of 2. So the first step is to set both of the zeros equal to x. So here we have x equals 3 and x equals 1 plus or minus 2. So x equals 3 is pretty easy to solve because you just move the 3 to the other side and set it equal to 0. So you have x minus 3 equals 0. X equals 1 plus or minus 2 is a little harder to deal with because it's got the 1 plus or minus the square root of 2. So for that one, you would move the 1 to the other side, so you subtract 1. So then you have x minus 1 equals plus or minus 2, or the square root of 2. Then you would square both sides to get rid of the square root. So then there you would have x minus 1 squared equals 2. So the next step would be to take the x minus 1 squared and multiply them together and keep that equal to 2. So then after multiplying those together, you get x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 2. Then you would move the 2 to the other side to have it equal to 0. So you have x squared minus 2x minus 1 equals 0. And then the next step is to multiply your x minus 3 equals 0 and your x squared minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So you multiply those two together and you get x cubed minus 2x squared minus 1x minus 3x squared plus 6x plus 3. So then from there you just simplify your equation and then this is your answer. So that's how working backwards works. The end.